Benvenuto a Veneto, produced by Lexus Samer. This is my trip to the region of Veneto, Italy. About Veneto. Veneto is located on the northeast of Italy. This region extends from the Dolomites to the Adriatic Sea. It is a place that is ideal for relaxing and comforting vacation, with beaches and sights beyond compare. Veneto includes famous cities like Venice, Padua, Verona, and many more. A fun fact about Veneto is that it is the 8th largest region in Italy. Here's a map highlighted with the region of Veneto, which includes cities like Belluno, Venice, Rovigo, and Verona. Veneto is greatly known for the city of Venice. They are known for their canals and gondola rides, which usually cost about €80 for a 40-minute ride that holds a maximum of 6 people. My flight was from Myrtle Beach to Newark, then to Copenhagen, and finally Venice. I flew United Airlines there and back, and traveling was a whole day long. The airport I arrived at was called Marco Polo Airport in Venice. It was huge and, of course, very busy. When I finally arrived, I stayed at a luxury 5-star hotel on the water that was called the Gritty Palace in San Marco, Venice. My 5 nights there costed around $7,000 American and was located on the water on a grand canal with great views out the window. The hotel had many activities for me, including culinary classes with Italian cuisine. My adventures consisted of going to Venice, Verona, and Padua, mostly outdoor adventures. First is Dogs Palace in Venice, which is a Gothic architecture built in the 14th and 15th centuries. It is composed of 3 blocks, one being San Marco Square, which inside includes a great council hall. I learned during my tour the entrance is named Porta del Frumento, or Forage Office, which is nearby. Next is Parco delle Cascate, which was absolutely breathtaking. Verona's waterfalls and nature were the most beautiful I have ever seen, and of course I had to go swimming in their waters. Finally, Orto Botanico was located in Padua or Padova, which allowed me to slow down and see what Veneto had to offer me. It was created in 1545 on property of the Benedictine monks of St. Justine. It is the oldest existing university botanical garden in the world. Some of my adventures also included restaurants. I had great red wine at Pizza e Resto del Michele in Mestre, along with a great cheese pizza, and went to a milk bar, which is called the Milk Bar Pasticceria in Padua, where I had a great cocktail and, of course, spritz. First, I stopped at Pizza e Resto del Michele with fresh pizza and basil, of course. That's what the restaurant looked like, and it was definitely very modern and exciting to go in. Next was the Milk Bar Pasticceria, where I had delicious treats and enjoyed some cocktails as well. My favorites were definitely the spritz, which is an Italian alcoholic beverage that includes Aperol and sparkling wine or seltzer. Really refreshing after a long day of walking and being in the sun. I definitely loved the fresh food, which included tomatoes and mozzarella cheese, which is called caprese, and of course the cafe with cappuccino, and breakfast, donuts, and of course the beautiful narrow streets that Veneto had to offer. Here's my works cited. And that was my trip.